What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode, we came to this Stark Mountain and defeated Mars and Saturn, and they got vanished. And today we are going to continue our journey. And hey, Lucas, wait up. So what's going on? What? Team Galactic here? Gotcha. Let's team up and beat them up together. Okay, you won't regret teaming up. I'll keep your Pokemon healthy. So we have a couple of ways. So looks like this is going to be the correct way. So let's go this way. Yeah. Okay, guys, we defeated these guys and let's get the TFing item. Iron Ball. Good in competitive but not in in-game. Generally in in-game you want to just outspeed Pokemon and kill them as fast as possible. Oh, okay. So what will we get? I'm gonna explore a lot, so you have to deal with it. I am the avatar and you have to deal with it. Okay, so we defeated that trainer, so it's all the same. So since it is all the same, so let's do this another double battle. Okay, so we can't go this way. We can't go this way either. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We can't climb rocks. So, okay, guys, we defeated these people. Max repel. So we can't climb rocks anymore. So let's break some rocks and break some rules. Okay, guys, we defeated these guys. So we can go this way, or we cannot climb rocks anymore. So max repel. So let's wait a second. This is the way. Sorry, that is the way. We can use strength though. Yes. Here we are. Team Galactic inside, right? This is it. No fooling around. Cyrus repaired. Mars and Jupiter quit. Saturn said he would look after what remains of Team Galactic, but he won't join me. So foolish of him. So very foolish of the rest of them. Throwing away Team Galactic. After all the effort we took as team to make it grow, that power could have made us rich beyond imagination. But enough of that. The Magmastron will be mine. Hey, Team Galactic, what's going on here? Hey, what's this? Then chased me here, have you? I like seeing children try their best, but too bad for you. You're not too late. You're too late. With this Magmastron, I will let awaken the legendary Pokemon Heatran. Heatran through my team. I will control the volcano's eruption to extort money by the millions. Fear me from I'm sure the boss of the reborn Team Galactic. Go go! No, the Magmastron. What's going on? Excellent work, Krogan. Hey, look at disguising myself as a boulder for stakeout was not easy. Now, all the time, the international police cordially requests your corporation. I'm sure you have much to tell us about the new Team Galactic with Cyrus and Mars Jupiter gone. You're all that is left. Hey, it's the international police. Yeah, it's the international police. Alright, there's only one thing to do. Run away, run away! Yeah, what a mess. Oh, international police, what are you saying? I know nothing. A new Team Galactic exporting with Heatran. Merely the blathering of this harmless old man, all said in jest. Besides, among Team Galactic commanders, I was the most junior. You can tell us all about it. We have plenty of time. Oh no, no resisting a rush. You can win 3-on-1. No? Okay, officers, over here, if you will. He's an old man. This heat can't be good for him. Quickly take him somewhere cool. Yes, the cooler will do. Lucas, and you, unfamiliar boy, I wish to say something. First, it's too hot. Let us exit the environment. Phew, this air outside is delicious. Yes, you gave a blare. I have inhaled the volcanic ash by lungful. Now, you two. This what they were after, the magma stone. Moving this is said to awaken the Pokemon Eater, and the old tales say that it's awakening, it will make Stark Mountain erupt. But I have moved it. It is here. Will this cause eruption? Hey, don't sweat it, stranger. Give me the magma stone. I'll go put it back for you. That's why he's quite energetic. Yes, Lucas, I should tell you why I am here. After we parted at the team at the Mount Cornet, I investigated there. I uncovered Charon's plot, which led me to stake out of this place. That Charon is now securely within our custody. It is safe to say that Team Galactic is a threat no longer. That being said, it looks like my work is really finished. Hey stranger, I put Magma Stone where it belongs. It will be okay now, Hitran won't wake up probably. But hey Lucas, you are an amazing player. Swing by place later, it's in the survival area. Be seeing you stranger, Lucas, bye bye. I also will take my leave. The more wonderful the meeting, the sadder the parting. That is a quote I heard many years ago in foreign land. Its meaning, I understand it better now. Farewell, Lucas, my friend. Long may you cherish Pokemon. So let's go to survival area then. Don't worry, I'm gonna catch Hitran. And let's talk to Buck. Yo, if it wasn't Lucas, it's my place. Drop in here. Oh, we can rematch Barry. Oh, so you are your Buck's friend? Yes, I've heard about you from both Buck and Wake. Well, my young friend, you are always welcome from here and now. This is a private club for only Sinnoh gym leaders or those who watch out for themselves, self-shame gym leaders. It's a place where the basic to better themselves. Welcome to Battleground. Okay. So 7 minutes. So we can rematch. I'm gonna save the game. Okay. Okay, we can do rematches. I'm gonna reset the game. So yeah, that's first episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. Next episode is going to be our final rival battle against Barry, or could be the gym leader rematches, or could be legendaries. So yeah, that's our episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. Peace.